Another night firing up the rocket stove. Well, fire stove thing. Chris has pulled the grate that I slipped in there out and used a different kind of mesh. I'll have a look at that in a sec. But we've got some hamburgers. And we've got a barbecue plate. No, it's plenty hot enough. Yeah, chuck them all on. I'll go and grab the thing off the barbecue to flip them.
Move the forks down this way.
So I'll pop down the bottom so you can see what he's done down there. As you can see, it's just got round kindling kind of sticks. This is from stuff that's been cut down in the yard. Nothing special. No accelerants. And I'm not sure if you can hear it, but it's really rumbling. So what he's done is he's slipped this bit of tin, which gives it a nice gap underneath, as you can see. Down there, the ash kind of falls to the bottom and out of the way, the air still sucks through it, and the top channel up there just gives it all that extra airflow. You can see where it's really glowing nicely. It's still not that warm in there, like you can put your hand in the air intake because it's sucking so much air through. But as the wood and stuff falls down, it kind of drops down, the ash drops out of the way and lets the other stuff burn, so it's not smothering the fire like it was on me the other night. And we're cooking hamburgers. So as you can see, they're cooking away nicely. Obviously just temporary with the grate on top and then this up on top as well. We're really trying to work out a design that'll allow us to have this a cooking surface or a heating surface for whatever we want to heat, at the same time as keeping a clear chimney, because the chimney's not clear, you end up with like a constriction in the airflow and it stops the rocket effect. And the burgers are cooked. Alright, so Chris's new little grate in the bottom of there, well, this version of the little grate in the bottom there is doing its job. Still just feeding it sticks. Nothing exciting, just plain old sticks. Dipping them up with the reciprosaur and poking them down the feed tube. That's something else to mention. Since Chris put that in there, we can fill it from the feed tube and we're not filling it from the top. Listen to that. That's exactly why you build yourself a rocket stove. Just listen to how angry it is, and all it is trees. Trees packed in there, nothing special. And we made it out of this beautiful thick bit of rectangular hollow section, so it's going to last for ages. And even if it doesn't, we got more. Yeah, this is starting to get pretty serious. Next trick's we're going to build a box around it out of Bessa bricks to insulate it, and probably cover most of it in. But yeah, it cooks burgers. Like, how much more could you want? Thanks for watching, YouTube.